Folding phones are getting so close to the mainstream with the Galaxy Z Flip4. The compact size and lower prices of its predecessor. The Z Flip3 dominated the foldable market in India since its launch. Faster charging, stronger glass, and stunning color choices. The Galaxy Z Flip4 aims to keep up the weight on and reach new heights. Before you go to on plastic Flip4, but today with the unbreakable double A's transistor, you still absolutely fall keeping to face quality. One bad drop, it's all it takes to turn that thousand dollars into pieces. But these Galaxy Z Flip4 choices have grip, drop protection, and style to elevate one of the best Android phones we can find today. VRS design is best known for its ruggedly handsome wallet cases, but the durability alone makes the Quick Stand series worth your time and money. The hinge cover here isn't as durable as its beefier TerraGuard cousin, but it will still sit flat on a table and it still has a nice sturdy kickstand sitting inside it. The hinge cover here is closer to the Spigen end of the spectrum rather than the thinner UAG or OtterBox side. And trust me, I know how weird that sounds, but it's true. While kickstand cases might not seem as big of a draw when you can just set a phone down in flex mode, this kickstand allows you to prop your phone up at more angles. It can also let you clearly see both sides in the screen in the flex mode at a distance rather than the lower half being flat on the table and harder to glance at. Like the Spigen Touch Armor, this case is only real flaw in that it only comes in black, but hopes springs eternal for VRS to veer into some actual colors down the road. If you don't want any thickness bulking up your cute new foldable, Spigen's Air Skin line of super slim snap-on cases is here for you in 3 colors and 2 clear varieties, including my beloved glitter crystal quartz. The 3 colors here all perfectly match the main Flip4 colorways: cornflower blue, pink genie blue, cotton pink, a shade darker than Samsung's pink silicone cover, and a blissfully creamy rose purple. A benefit of this super slim style and clear versions is that you won't have to worry so much about adhesives here not being strong enough for gripping delicate parts of Flip4 too strongly and ripping things apart. That makes this thin case a much easier decision for those of you who might be having dramatic flashbacks of the last time you tried to change the case on your Galaxy Z Flip 3. As super slim cases with slightly open joints at the corners, you obviously can't expect any super durable drop protection here. You need more mass in order to absorb or redirect those levels of kinetic force. That's physics we haven't quite managed to overcome. What you do get is scratch protection and just enough of lip around the camera and cover screen to hopefully keep it up, and of the crumb covered table you just see it down on. At Samsung's first hands-on event, Android Police's Ryan Hegel immediately gravitated to the $90 Samsung flap leather cover for the Galaxy Z Flip4. He found it gaudy and ostentatious like a ridiculously expensive handbag circa 2002, but in all the best ways perfectly over the top. Although the sliding cover for the hinge must look like it would be loose, it was quite stiff and stayed pressed against the back of the top of the case, and it isn't as chunky as these images might make it look, though it is far from thin. The leather itself isn't the most impeccable quality. You can get it in some cases, but it felt and looked premium, though a lighter color is sure to pick up wear and stains more quickly. The metal accents finish out the premium vibe. This case feels like $1,000, so if you don't want to swaddle your $1,000 Galaxy Z Flip4 in inexpensive TPU and polycarbonate and want to draw even more attention to that folding phone when you are out and about, this case is happy to satisfy. There is a reason that Samsung chose to make this case the one included with Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 pre-orders. Its ring case is simple, adorable, and comes in many colors. This year, Samsung has been offered up to silicone cover and ring colorways that match bespoke edition colors, khaki green and navy, alongside the pink, bara purple, and arctic blue. Traditionally, Samsung silicone cases are known for being particularly strong dust magnets, even among silicon cases, but its Flip 3 and Flip 4 cases seems to have avoided this curse. We are not entirely sure what black magic ritual that entailed, but anything that helps your case look clean and presentable rather than covered with every speck of lint your pocket ever shed in its life is good in our book. While there is also the Samsung silicone cover with strap, which comes in white or black and can swap to dozens of differently patterned straps. The ring cover wins in a few key areas. The ring is easier to hold for longer periods and gives you more centralized grip than the strap's bottom set grip. It's also easier to hook onto. Pull your phone out of your pocket or purse, ensuring you don't drop it while sliding it out or open. Urban Armor Gears Civilian series may not have the multi-material majesty of the Monarch, but it's durable as all get out. Exactly what the impact and delicate Galaxy Z Flip 4 needs. The Civilian series comes in three classic UAG colors: mallard blue, olive green, and good all black. The honeycomb hollows inside the case add air cushioning for the impact resistance without added weight. The higher bumpers around the camera and cover screen add extra peace of mind against drops while the phone is closed. UAG has a thin, flexible cover that covers the hinge when the case is closed. It's not as rugged as the one of the Spigen Tough Armor, but that also keeps the bulk down a little bit. And like Spigen, UAG had to learn after some adhesive issues last year. Options for larger adhesive pads on the front and back panels rather than relying solely on smaller grips. Along the edges of the phone, it's still early days, but combined with the one-piece design of the membrane bridging the two holes, this should allow this Galaxy Z Flip 4 case to stay and put much better than its predecessors.